Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered if that little green plant sitting on your windowsill could finally be the answer to your stubborn acne scars? Aloe vera is famous for soothing sunburns, but what about those dark spots and marks left behind by pimples? How long does it really take to see a difference? Well, let's break it down. First, let's manage expectations. Aloe vera is great for reducing the appearance of hyperpigmented scars, those dark or reddish spots, thanks to its amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But for deep, pitted, or atrophic scars, it's not a magic eraser. Think of it as a helper for milder, more superficial marks. So, what's the timeline? For lighter, newer scars, you might start noticing some fading in as little as 2 to 4 weeks with consistent, daily use. We're talking applying pure aloe vera gel twice a day on clean skin. But for older, more stubborn scars, you need to be patient. It could take anywhere from 3 to 6 months, or even longer, to see significant improvement. The key here is consistency. Skipping days will definitely slow down your progress. Let's dive into the science, because it's pretty cool. Aloe vera contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to inhibit the enzyme that produces melanin. Less melanin means those dark spots get lighter. A clinical trial actually found that allicin reduced UV-induced pigmentation by over 30% in just 4 weeks. Beyond that, aloe vera is a powerhouse for skin repair. It stimulates your skin to produce more collagen and hyaluronic acid. Collagen is what gives your skin its structure, and when you get a pimple, that inflammation can damage it, creating a scar. By boosting collagen, aloe helps to repair that damage and can even help fill in shallow depressions over time. Studies have shown it can increase collagen content in wounds by 2 to 3 times. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Acne scars are often the result of long-lasting inflammation in your skin. Aloe helps calm that inflammation down, preventing the scar from getting worse and allowing it to heal better. In lab studies, it's been shown to reduce key inflammatory markers by up to 50%. So, what does the clinical evidence say? While there aren't many large-scale studies specifically on aloe vera for acne scars alone, the research we do have is promising. One study with students found that after 4 to 6 weeks of using aloe vera gel twice daily, 70% of them saw a noticeable reduction in both acne severity and scar visibility. Other studies combining aloe with different ingredients reported scar lightening in 6 to 8 weeks for new scars. For a real-world analogy, think about wound healing. A big meta-analysis of 23 trials found that aloe vera sped up healing time for burns by an average of 9 days. Since scars are essentially healed wounds, this shows just how effective aloe is at promoting skin regeneration. Now, there are a few important things to remember. Your skin type, the age of your scar, and even your genetics will affect how quickly you see results. Also, sun exposure is your enemy here. UV rays can make dark spots even darker. So always wear sunscreen during the day to protect your skin and let the aloe do its work. For the best results, use pure, 100% aloe vera gel. Some products have a lot of added alcohol or fragrances that can irritate your skin. You can even use the gel straight from an aloe plant leaf. Just be sure to do a patch test on your arm first to make sure you don't have a reaction. So, the final verdict. Aloe vera can definitely help fade acne scars, especially the dark marks. Give it a solid 2 to 3 months of consistent, twice daily application, and remember to protect your skin from the sun. If your scars are more severe or you're not seeing any improvement after a few months, it might be time to see a dermatologist. They can recommend other treatments like retinoids, chemical peels, or lasers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare science breakdowns. See you in the next video.